How to repurpose transcripts for SEO and social media. In this video, you will learn from Patrick Melamatter, who will describe the importance of content and, in particular, how you can take a video or audio transcript and repurpose it in a number of manners to create new content for various channels. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
Content is one of the foundation of SEO. In order to do SEO is you're putting you on top of the result in Google and other search engine. You need content. Yeah, I cannot place you on top for a topic where you don't speak about. So the video, when you have video and you create the transcript of the video, there are those tools here to create that, which are very cheap. That's something that should be done as much as possible, because first of all, the main reason you should reuse your content several times. There are even content specialists who say, yeah, you must make sure that you use it 8 times. Yeah, so and there are different way of using it. So for example, if you have a vlog, yeah, so a video blog where you record a video to speak to the public, so reuse this content. So if we now focus on the script, yeah, the transcript. So when you have your transcript, then you can already reuse it once to post this as a blog. Yeah, so you have already one additional use. Yeah, so now you have the written version of your vlog or of your webinar or whatever you were doing with audio. Yeah, and so you can reuse it. Podcasts, for example, is also a good example. So you can reuse it. What is also good is now you have a written version. So search engine cannot, but things are changing now, but that's something that I was always saying. Once you have a video or an audio, search engine cannot see the content of it. Yeah, it's like also a picture. So you need the text version of it. Yeah, so for example, if you post a video on your website, have the transcript under this video, so the search engine can read it. Otherwise, the search engine have no idea what this video is about. Now, things are changing. Yeah, in the last few years, I would say in the last 12 months, a lot, that now search engine can read video in them, that they do their own transcript. Yeah, they find a video, they let it run, have the transcript, so they know. You see already now very advanced use that you can even make a search on a video and it will make you jump inside the video where you speak about exactly this keyword or this topic. Yeah, and this is by using those transcripts of the video. But that's how search engine work. Yeah? They do the transcript, and then after they make the search to search those keywords that you're searching in the transcript, and after they see, okay, you speak in the minute 2 minutes 15 seconds, you speak about this, and boom, they make you jump on this. So that's how it works. But that's new and is not yet everywhere. Yeah, so in most of the case, the content of your video cannot be seen by the search engine. So having the transcript under the video or having it somewhere else in a blog, in an article page, will make a huge difference, because you will bring traffic there that could not come because it was a video. They could not know what is the content of this video. If I just take again this example with the shoes, if you speak about this new pair of magic shoes that make you run 10 times faster, And people heard about this, they start Googling it. And if you just speak in it in a video, search engine don't know it. Yeah? They need to have the text to understand it. But as I said, this is changing now with AI, plus also there's not even AI to make a transcript that you need. Yeah, it's getting better and better. So that's one reason. And then after you can also chunk it, yeah, the same content. If it was a postcard, a long interview, you can make 10 small, of course, video that's used already in the video thing, but it's easy after to repost those things. Like, for example, the shortest will be on Twitter. Yeah, you can just take small parts that you had on your video that has a transcript, and you can just make out of a whole interview, a whole vlog, maybe you can make 10, 20, 30, 50 tweets that you can just extract. Yeah, so if you do this yourself, you save time. But if you work with an agency doing that, you give them the transcript, and that's it. You did your interview somewhere. You say, can I have the video so I can post it on my website? Yes, boom. Then you go to the transcript, and then the transcript you give it to your agency, like Fairtech, and then they can reuse this on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and by longer version. On the website, on your blog, so the content can be reused many times. Yeah, so you save your time, because this is time consuming, and people following you on one platform does not obligatory follow you on another platform. So it's not that you're repeating yourself and saying the same thing over and over again. Yeah, so first of all, when you post something on Facebook, a very little percentage of your followers will see it. Yeah, because they scroll, and there's so many of those posts there. So the one who was in the morning on Facebook will miss what you wrote in the afternoon. Yeah? So you post several times on different platforms. So that's the main reason I see, or the main way you can reuse those transcripts of videos. Yeah.
If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.